I want to remove this diffuser and this also, and I will hide the map. I uncheck this checkbox, cancel. I close the unnecessary windows. I go to the level 1. I reposition the diffuser to the base of placing the diffuser is CFM. As you remember, we done the cooling and heating the calculations, and our software will calculate our necessary and needing calculations of CFM. So we click on this space. You can see specify supply airflow 1076 CFM is needed for this space. The second option is calculated supply airflow. The values are same. We leave it alone. And there's another option, actual supply airflow, which is 0 now. I select the diffuser. I changed it to estimately 250 CFM. I select the space again. But actual supply airflow is not calculated now. So I go to the section view. I go to the added family of the diffuser to front elevation view. There's one option, room calculation point. With using this, you can activate this option with which is shape is like point that show you the inside. So our internal space must change to the bottom of this diffuser. Override. I go to level 1 ceiling. I select the diffuser. We use 250 for this. Now we can see the actual supply airflow 250. Now everything is correct. It was very important note. I align the diffuser. You can select it. It's better to use the create similar according to the base of the diffuser and change its position to the desired one. If you have a lot of diffusers, you can use array tool. We have to set the numbers. I use 3. We have 2 radio button. If you use second one, the distance between the first point and second one, and according to that, it makes an array. Click one time. According to distance, we'll add any numbers you want. For example, you can change the numbers like this. Okay. I use 3. Now they are like groups. Okay, select them, ungroup, ungroup, and ungroup these 2. And you can change the distances if you want. This is very interesting tool. Use tab, select the outer edge of the wall to the axis of the diffuser, and here too to the outer edge of the wall, and use the EQ. So it equalizes the distance. Select, remove. I do not need it right now because all the diffusers must be exactly on the tiles. So we try to align them all. So middle of this one with this one. They are in the same line now. So go to query similar. I want to know how much is the CFM of this. I have 6 diffuser here. How much is my actual supply airflow? 1500. This is a lot. We have to decrease it. Select all, select, or hold the left click and drag your mouse. I want to mention all CFMs equalize. So I use 180, check the actual again. This amount is great. You can select 10% or 5% more than this. Check these CFMs too. 160, 73. I use 100 for these and 120 for this. Create similar. I put it here. Estimately in the middle of the room. Mention this. If you have the lights, the position must not make problem with your lights. And for example, I move a little to left to prevent problem with lights. It must be checked. I align them all. Oh, this place is great.